Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Jaffer, and in today's video we are going to create an HMI screen for our safety function block. In the previous videos we already walked through several key function blocks like alarm manager, automatic sequences, maintenance mode, and manual mode. In this video I will show you how a safety manager function block works in a PLC. This block handles emergency stops, safety door, and safe resets, exactly the way it's done in a real industrial machine. And of course, we will also see how to connect this safety logic to an HMI step by step. Let's get started. To do this, we are going to the safety screen, and we do not have a physical machine to initialize safety conditions, but we can simulate it with buttons. Okay. First of all, I'm going to create buttons and connect them to the safety manager function block variables. And now I'm going to create a reset button. With this reset button, we are going to reset the alarms. And now I'm going to create a text indicator. So when there is an alarm, I have to be informed with the text that there is an alarm or there is something missing, right? All right. I have created here a text list, and now I'm going to connect this text list to an variable which is controlled by the safety manager. And now I'm going to connect these buttons to the variables. All right, now we are done with connecting the tags, and now we are going to test our system. So our HMI screen is started. So we are going to safety screen. Okay. Now, suppose we are opening the door. Machine will not start. Okay, you see. But when the door is closed and we have to reset this button. Now, the safety is good to start the machine. Okay. Again, with E stop button, when we turn it, the safety is not okay, machine will not start. So when we reset the button, on the button itself, physically, and the error is still there until we tap the reset button alarms, and now we are good. Good to start the machine. And also it's very important, so when there is a button, a emergency button pushed, we are not able to start the machine at any cost. Okay, so now when we are going to our auto sequencing or mode selection, we select automatic mode, we are not able to select it because it is not okay, the machine is not ready to start, right? So when it's okay, we repair the e-stop button and we reset the installation, we go to mode selection, and now we can select it. You see? And now we can start it automatically. Let's write out the sequence and we start the machine. Right? And again, we start manually, we go to manual control, we start the machine, and we stop the machine. And we have also alarms here. The buttons are repaired. We can acknowledge our alarms. But if the door is still open and the alarm is not reset, we go to alarm, we cannot acknowledge them. You see, even you push the acknowledge button, it doesn't disappear because it's still not repaired. We go to the safety, we just reset it, and we see it's all gone. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from this video. And